Hey, everybody. I got a question this week about the marketing platforms and all the work that goes into, building your lead magnet and the landing pages and the funnels and the sales pages and all of that kind of stuff. And quite honestly, it is a lot of work. And most of us got into the online business because we're passionate about helping people. We're a genius, a superwoman in a certain area. Maybe it's organizing, or maybe it's relationships, or setting healthy boundaries. I don't know what it is, but chances are, you're not an IT geek. And so you jumped into this business, and all of a sudden it's like, holy moly, I've got all these tools, don't know how to use them. They're expensive. So if you happen to watch this live or replay, whatever, let me know in the comments. Does that sound like you? So I wanted to just do a quick little video and show you a couple of ideas. Your marketing does not have to be complicated. And, here's the deal, especially starting out, less is better. But I will say this, even though I'm a tech geek girl, I am all about investing in yourself and investing in the tools to get the job done, and also to have that long range view of growing your business. So I do believe in using an all-in-one platform, something that will be that foundation for your business. But here's the deal. It does not have to be super complicated, okay? I'm just going to look over here. I'm streaming into the group, so just want to make sure that I'm still there. Okay, so I'm just going to show you a couple of ways that you can do that. Now, first of all, if you've been with me for a while, you know that I absolutely love GoHighLevel or High Level. It's an all-in-one platform. There's a couple of other all-in-one platforms that I use also. I need to join IT Anonymous because I have way too many tech tools, but like Funnel Gorgeous, I also use Kartra. There's a few other all-in-one tools that I've played with, but quite honestly, GoHighLevel and Kartra are my favorites. And High Level, they're really kind of blowing the competition out of the water. So that's what I'm promoting. And, if you haven't started using any tools yet and you want to take a test drive, I have a 14-day test drive with my affiliate, and you can follow along. So I want to show you, first of all, a super simple template, so to speak. And again, you know that I'm all about systems. So if you're going to do something more than once, let's create a system. Let's create a template so that it's easy peasy. You just change out a few things and then you're ready to roll for the next launch or the next lead magnet, whatever it is. So I am going to let me share my screen here. And I just want to show you a couple of things that I have set up. Can you see this? Okay, I think we're moving here. All right, so inside of this is the back end of GoHighLevel or High Level. I never know for sure what the correct name is that they're using right now. Okay, and I'm in the funnel builders. I'm not going to go deep into the woods how I got here, but I just want to show you how super easy this is. So I'm just going to edit this. Maybe my computer wakes up. And basically it just has 4 simple little sections. You can change out the sections, the wording. Oh, actually, let me go back and I'm on the thank you page. Let me go back and show you the opt-in page. So this is a simple opt-in lead magnet. And once it loads here again, the beauty is you can just reuse it. So I've got a section up here, basically the headline, learn how to do X without the Y. This one is, I'm all about video. So if you can put in a video talking to them, you'll get more action on that, but you don't have to. You could just put words if you wanted. And then basically, here is where I would add a picture of the actual, I'm just going to put an image placeholder. So I would put a picture, what I call the digital stack, all those little images that people, they want to know what that handout is. So on this lead magnet, I've got the headline, I've got a section with your video, and then what will this handout do for you? It will do A, B, and C, and then a picture, and that's it. Then just your footer down here, and you're good to go. So let me. So I have a simple opt-in page and then a simple thank you page. And the thank you page, again, it's just like this, 4 simple little sections. You can opt out, switch back and forth, whatever you want. My little calls to action when people opt in for my free things. I've just got some simple it never changes. I want to invite them to my free Facebook group or get on a strategy call with me, whatever it is. This is a video that kind of highlights what their next step should be, but excuse me. How easy is that? So let me hide this for a second. So it doesn't have to be complicated. Now, if you want to go a step further, let me or make it even easier, just use a Google Doc. So if you're just so here's what I would do if I was just starting out. Again, I do believe in all-in-one tools because it's going to save you so much grief and time. And I'm all about how can we make your business easy and save you time and help you make money and have a greater impact. So I would use my all-in-one platform to create the lead magnet opt-in, simple little automations in the back so people get tagged and then they get sent the emails, all that kind of stuff. And then when you graduate to the next level, so now you're working on building out your course or your program, your offer, I should say, instead of spending weeks building your super snazzy looking sales page, why don't you just do a Google Doc? So let me show you that. And let me hop over to this page. This is a program that I sold. It was just a 4-week program, email marketing machine. Let me make sure that this is going to show up. Okay, perfect. And, within Google, you can change the background color if you wanted. So I did that, but I just used really large text. And I'm just typing. Okay. So I'm just telling them what the offer is and what the investment is. And there's a couple of little links throughout it, and they can just click on that and they'll get taken to my opt-in checkout cart. So how easy is that? Notice there's no pictures. People are just overthinking everything. I have used different sizes of fonts and a couple different colors, bolded a few things. Again, people aren't reading, but they're going to skim, and they're going to skim these high points, and they're going to be like, oh, yeah. Now, very top name people like Frank Kern, he uses this all the time. So if you're struggling, and you're spending hours or weeks trying to build your sales page, just do this. And this will do a couple of things for you. Let me come back so I can see you eyeball to eyeball here. It'll do a couple of things. It will validate the offer. So in other words, you've got the lead magnet. Maybe you're nurturing your people, or maybe you're in, the social media, and, you could just say, hey, I'm super excited about this course that I'm going to be offering. If you want the details, reach out to me. They say, yeah, I'm interested. All you have to do is send them that Google document. How easy is that? So I want you to stop stressing about things and relax and let's just simplify your business. That's how I help people. I can see things from the 10,000 foot view. I can pull out all of your IP that's floating around in your head because you are a genius. Yes, you are. And you have something to share and you can help people. But I don't want you to get bogged down with the technology. Let me show you one other thing very quickly. So basically, so when people come into either my digital business academy or if they're in my heart centered scale program, this is a simple little, kind of a template or a format that we use. You could use this to write your sales page, your Google Doc sales page, and you don't even have to put this much detail into it. I got to tell you, I'm starting to get a little tired of the standard default. Here's the problem. Yes, we do need to address how we're going to help them. But if you start reading a lot of the sales pages, they're all kind of the same thing and they're all too vanilla. That's something else that I help people with. We dig into, let's get to that gut wrenching pain or issue that they're struggling with. And then when you say, as a superwoman, you can come in and fix that, then you're going to get eyeballs on your offer. So I hope that is making sense. Just wanted to share that with you. Let's stop complicating things. If you want to take a test drive of GoHighLevel, I'll even throw in this little template and then you can just hit the ground running and we can get that built. And then you can build a simple little Google Doc that explains your program, and let's just get it out there and see how many people you can help. All right. So I hope that helps. And I'm just looking to see if there's any last minute questions or anything. I don't think there are. If you happen to catch this on YouTube, I had to stop and think what it was. If you happen to catch it on YouTube, I would love it if you wanted to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, or let me know what you thought about it. And let's get back to business, but let's make our business easy and simple. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.